Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Nissan Titan key fob battery. First, gather your essential tools and prepare your workspace. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure your work area is clean and well lit to prevent losing any small parts. This simple process will have your key fob working like new in just a few minutes. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the emergency key slides out. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, slowly pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Be careful not to use too much force to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of which side, usually the positive side, is facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. It should fit snugly. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Press the halves together firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Once reassembled, immediately test all the functions of your key fob to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.